Life in the Ganga-Brahmaputra basin. The tributaries of rivers Ganga and Brahmaputra together form the Ganga-Brahmaputra basin in the Indian subcontinent. The basin lies in the subtropical region that is situated between 10° north to 30° north latitudes. The tributaries of the river Ganga, like the Ghagra, the Son, the Chambal, the Gandhak, the Kosi, and the tributaries of Brahmaputra drain it. Students, now look at the atlas and find names of some tributaries of the river Brahmaputra. The plains of the Ganga and the Brahmaputra, the mountains and the foothills of the Himalayas, and the Sundarbans Delta are the main features of this basin. Oxbow lakes dot the plain area. The area is dominated by monsoon climate. The monsoon brings rains from mid-June to mid-September. The summers are hot and the winters are cool.
Topography. Look at the map of India. Find out the states in which the Ganga-Brahmaputra basin lies.
The basin area has varied topography. The environment plays a dominant role in the distribution of the population. The mountain areas with steep slopes have inhospitable terrain. Therefore, less number of people live in the mountain area of the Ganga-Brahmaputra basin. The plain area provides the most suitable land for human habitation. The soil is fertile. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people, where flat land is available to grow crops. The density of population of the plains is very high. The main crop is paddy. Since cultivation of paddy requires sufficient water, it is grown in the areas where the amount of rainfall is high.
Glossary.
Population density. Population density means the number of persons that live in 1 square kilometer of area.
Example. The population density of Uttarakhand is 189, while the density of West Bengal is 1029 and that of Bihar is 1102.
Crops: wheat, maize, sorghum, gram, and millets are the other crops that are grown. Cash crops like sugarcane and jute are also grown. Banana plantations are seen in some areas of the plain. In West Bengal and Assam, tea is grown in plantations. Silk is produced through cultivation of silkworms in the parts of Bihar and Assam. In the mountains and hills, where the slopes are gentle, crops are grown on terraces. The vegetation cover of the area varies according to the type of landforms. In the Ganga and Brahmaputra plain, tropical deciduous trees grow along with teak, sal, and peepal. Thick bamboo groves are common in the Brahmaputra plain. The delta area is covered with the mangrove forest. In parts of Uttaranchal, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh, coniferous trees like pine, deodar, and fir can be seen because the climate is cool and the slopes are steep.
Do you know? Terraces are built on steep slopes to create flat surfaces on which crops are grown. The slope is removed so that water does not run off rapidly.
Wildlife. There is a variety of wildlife in the basin. Elephants, tigers, deer, and monkeys are common. The one-horned rhinoceros is found in the Brahmaputra plain. In the delta area, Bengal tiger, crocodiles, and alligator are found. Aquatic life abounds in the fresh river waters, the lakes, and the Bay of Bengal Sea. The most popular varieties of fish are the rohu, katla, and hilsa. Fish and rice is the staple diet of the people living in the area.
Do you know? In the fresh waters of River Ganga and River Brahmaputra, a variety of dolphin, locally called susu, also called blind dolphin, is found. The presence of susu is an indication of the health of the river. The untreated industrial and urban wastes with high amount of chemicals are killing the species.
Lake, a source of livelihood, a case study. Binod is a fisherman living in the Matwali Mon village of Bihar. He is a happy man today. With the efforts of the fellow fishermen, Ravinder, Kishore, Rajiv and others, he cleaned the Mon or the Oxbow lake to cultivate different varieties of fish. The local weed, Valinaria hydrilla, that grows in the lake is the food of the fish. The land around the lake is fertile. He sows crops such as paddy, maize and pulses in these fields. The buffalo is used to plough the land. The community is satisfied. There is enough fish catch from the river, enough fish to eat, and enough fish to sell in the market. They have even begun supply to the neighboring town. The community is living in harmony with nature. As long as the pollutants from nearby towns do not find their way into the lake waters, the fish cultivation will not face any threat. Do you know? To accelerate the efforts to achieve universal sanitation coverage and to put force on sanitation, the Prime Minister of India launched the Swachh Bharat Mission on 2nd October 2014.
The Ganga-Brahmaputra plain has several big towns and cities. The cities of Allahabad, Kanpur, Varanasi, Lucknow, Patna, and Kolkata, all with a population of more than 10 lakhs, are located along the river Ganga. The wastewater from these towns and industries is discharged into the rivers. This leads to the pollution of the rivers.
Do you know? To conserve the river Ganga, Namami Ganga program has been initiated.
Transport. All the four ways of transport are well developed in the Ganga-Brahmaputra basin. In the plain areas, the roadways and railways transport the people from one place to another. The waterways is an effective means of transport, particularly along the rivers. Kolkata is an important port on the river Hooghly. The plain area also has a large number of airports. Tourism is another important activity of the basin. Taj Mahal on the banks of river Yamuna in Agra, Allahabad on the confluence of the rivers Ganga and Yamuna, Buddhist stupas in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, Lucknow with its Imambara, Assam with Kaziranga and Manas with wildlife sanctuaries, and Arunachal Pradesh with a distinct tribal culture are some of the places worth a visit. So students, do visit these places with your parents.
Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.